Hi everyone, today we're gonna replace iPhone 6 U2 IC. Here it is beneath the shield. Remove the shield carefully. You can find U2 IC which is sealed in a glue, black glue. Just apply some heat from top and remove the glue. Just apply some heat and remove the glue carefully. Make sure glue is not holding the chip. In this video I am using the same technique. I am using the same technique which I removed iPhone 5 U2 IC. I am using a soldering iron to remove the chip. Place it on the top of the IC for some time, just shown in the video, and lift it from the bottom. For this, don't use the tweezer, don't hold the chip with tweezer, just lift it from the bottom using a sharp tool and clean it in a proper way. That make sure no particles of glue and lead are remaining. Here is the new one. Place it in a proper direction. Just hold it with the tweezer and apply heat for short time, just like shown in the video. Okay, it had done. See this? It's placed so nicely. Okay, you can place the shield back, or you doesn't want, as you wish, whatever. I suggest you to place it back. Before that, let's check it's working. Okay, here my advice to use damaged LCDs to check the handsets, while you can use damaged LCDs while checking the handset, because you may damage your LCD. So use damaged LCD while checking the handset. Okay, it had done. It's charging. See, it's displayed charging symbol. Okay, let's check the ampere. Okay, it had displayed correctly. Job had done. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.